Hey folks, Dr. Turpo here, your relationship and life coach. So, today's topic, we are going to talk about TVs in the bedroom and how I'm saying you need to get that thing out of there. All right, so let's dive in. First of all, why are TVs in the bedroom harmful? How can they be harmful? Well, number one thing, it's a distraction from intimacy. All right, so I remember years ago reading one study that said that people who don't have a television in their bedroom have 50% more sex than people who do. That's all I needed to hear. Got that thing out of there, man. Matter of fact, my wife and I, we really never ever had a TV in our bedroom. That's by my design. So the bedroom should be used for one or two things. For sleep is one of them, and the other one is fostering intimacy. All right, we want to foster intimacy, and a TV is a distraction from intimacy. Emotional intimacy, physical intimacy. You'll end up having sex by commercials. You know, okay, commercials on, let's do something right quick. Oh, it's back on, get off me. So that, TV in the bedroom, it is a big time distraction from intimacy. We want to foster intimacy in our relationships. And it also has an impact on emotional intimacy. It's an impact on communication. We want connection, we want intimacy in our relationships, then we need to have strong communication. And TV is a distraction for you to get in a good groove of communicating, which we should do, take advantage of that time. And then the third thing it does is it's a sleep distraction, okay? Our bodies are in tune with the sun. We have circadian rhythms. And the way it works is that when the light shines on us in the morning, it wakes us up, the sunlight. It gets our bodies revved up. This is how our bodies are connected with the sun. And at night, as the sun goes down, the light is leaving and it's allowing our bodies to wind down. This is the circadian rhythm, our connection that we have with the sun. And so we need to dance to the circadian rhythm. But a lot of us are offbeat, especially when we have artificial blue light and shining on us at night. It's when it shines on our eyelids and our faces, it's confusing our body. We're trying to wind down, but the artificial light is saying stay up. And so we'll end up in the morning, we'll be fatigued, we'll be irritable the next morning because we didn't have a good night's sleep and we can't figure out why. Well, that is one of the major contributors for people not having good sleep at night. So, and that's not fair to your partner either. Your partner's there trying to get sleep and you're watching and you got the sound and you got the lights and they end up irritable and fatigued the next night as well. That's secondhand blue light. Just like secondhand smoke, you're suffering directly, but your partner suffers from secondhand smoke. Your partner is suffering from secondhand blue light when you have that TV on in the bedroom. And the other thing, too, number 4, is loss of quality time. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary where you're actually connecting with each other. And a lot of people's love language is quality time. This is a time, a room, a time period of the day that you can have quality time and connect with each other, cuddle, have conversations about the day and what went on and what your thoughts and feelings are. But you have a distraction of a television. You don't have that quality time where you can foster emotional intimacy, cuddle, and get physical intimacy. You're losing high quality time that you really could use this space and this time to do that. So my number one recommendation is get the TV out of the bedroom. Like I said, my wife and I, we never have had a TV in our bedroom. Now, if you want to keep the TV in the bedroom, because sometimes when I tell my clients this, they're like, well, Dr. T, you lost your damn mind. I'm keeping the TV in my bedroom. So you want to do that, that's fine. But then establish another rule if you want to do that. And that rule would be that I'll have the TV in the bedroom, but when my partner enters the bedroom, the TV goes off. So that way you're kind of respecting your partner and your quality time together, and you're allowing for intimacy. Now, what you can do this, when I'm saying to do this, what I'm saying is basically be intentional about your TV usage. So what does that mean? That means you're not just having the TV on and the background noise while you all are in the bedroom. If your partner comes in, turn it off, unless there's something that you all want to watch together. Okay, if you want to watch together, now what we're doing is we're creating shared moments. And now we're getting some quality time. We're creating some quality time. It's not high quality time because it's not, watching TV is not so interactive. However, it's creating quality time because it's now we're creating a shared experience. Let's watch this series together. The series, the show that we've been streaming and binge watching. Let's do that. That's our show. My wife and I, we have certain shows that we watch together, binge watch together. And then, or a movie, something that, I've been wanting to see that movie. Let's watch this movie. Let's watch that movie. So now you're creating, at least you're getting some quality time out of that. But the main thing is to make sure that you're setting boundaries. At this particular time, the TV goes off, and we need to respect each other and protect our relationship, protect our connection. So, that's it today's topic as far as television in the bedroom. So the goal is we want to promote health physically, and especially we want to promote healthy relationship and connection, and by not having a distraction like a television in the bedroom. So I encourage you, I'm asking you to experiment with this, folks. Try it for a month. Say 30 days, we're not going to have the TV in the bedroom. And then if you decide, well, okay, we'll keep it in the bedroom, then be intentional about it. So experiment with that for about 30 days. I actually say just go ahead and get the TV out for about 30 days and see what happens. You may be surprised by the effects. So that's it. I invite you to put comments, share your viewpoints, and your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Harmonious wishes.